Just saying.
Nothing changed. The camera's still shit. I'm taking control now. The Ben's gonna sit down.
Comment on your gameplay.
Comment on my gameplay of Badger, intense Badger gameplay.
That means game.
Don't you mean Badgerfield? Ben, can you get like a picture of a badger, like the Battlefield picture, but with like a badger there?
What is title? I mean screen.
Yeah, that's gonna be like the.
You control a Badger. Troll. 69.
I love this. Why? Ooh, what the?
Ooh, what happened?
Wait, which way am I going?
Oh, I don't know. You're gonna go that way. I actually pointed this time.
No, you didn't. There's no proof. Don't worry, Ben. I get the point. Do I? Hey, calm down. Don't take a jab at me. Oh no! This is a giant, terrifying eagle part.
Eagle. You can see.
How do you sprint? Is it shift?
Here, shift. Oh, control shift. Or control shift delete.
Okay. So
do a badger roll. I can't even see you. Or it just sees
it
you.
can't see me. Not in the bushes, period. No, not in the bushes, period, but in the bush, period. Yeah.
Bushes have a period.
Oh, they are?
Wrong. Where's your kid? On your left one.
Alright, we got.
No, I think I saw.
Nah, that's good.
Good. What can you see? Okay. Angry birds. So how worth is the range of view? See me? Oh, he has weird patterns on his wings, his holds.
Probably art, anti-panty art style.
Cool. So where are you heading?
No. I'm sure I'll do fine. 7 dead.
Oh, that's
High intense gameplay. Why'd I do that?
with the kids.
No! Move! Ow!
Move in. Secretly knows where you are. Just cheating. It's on your range of view. Cool story.
Cool story, bro.
Cool story, bro. Are there more eagles?
No, it's just one. Oh, I remember. Because he can see me when I'm walking to another bush, he's just not there in time to kill me. Really murder all my children. Our children, Ben. Our children.
He says that while holding my shoulder. I take it back, he was holding my lap! Sexual assault!
But I didn't even get Pepper. Sexual assault.
Badger assault. We're just gonna put badgers. Are there badgers? They look like badgers.
Badger.
We're just gonna put badgers in the or pot. That's cool.
Oh. Well, it looks like a hole-in-one from here.
Hey, when you get there, you get in a trophy or a badge. Go no.
Oh, look!
Oh, you made it.
Yay! High five, man!
Oh, they're dead now. No, wait. You're still alive.
Your turn. You didn't hear my whispering. I said we'll probably play another hour.
Okay. This game?
Oh yeah, this, you can't let your badges go into the dark.
No.
Also radish. Radish.
Oh, what happened? I don't know.
Radish, radish, radish.
Radish. Radish. Are they gonna share it?
Nah. One's a greedy little whore.
Oh yeah,
That must
is such a whore.
No, I think you actually have to be slow, otherwise, because it's like...
What happened?
Oh,
I'm afraid.
Oh yeah, they get afraid, you have to chase after them.
Why are they running? Why are they...
Because they heard it, like the... Where they go?
Let's go. Oh, it's just a step.
Hey, but then, did you eat a light bulb or something?
Look at the stars. I didn't know there was galaxies.
They're not even stars, they're just planets.
It was the sun.
That was a star, that was the sun, that's a comet.
Don't comment on it. Oh.
Oh.
What happened?
Oh. There's gravity towards that joke. Really pulls me in.
Don't let that fall. That wasn't even a good one.
Come on.
Where am I going now?
It's like you Saturned on my puns. If you wanted it, you should have put a ring on it. But instead I'm gonna give you a full moon.
Radish. We're still gonna make planet jokes.
Nah. With comet on us.
Yeah, I said that one.
Yeah, but it was meteoro. What
I'm
is
out!
it? I'm out.
We have to keep counting.
Yeah, see look, that one's greyish, so try to feed that one next time.
Grey, she's... Let me see, it's grey.
We'll see. Dark brown, grey. Like,
how can I just feed it? Will they automatically give it to the ones that haven't eaten it?
I don't know, you just drop it near the closest one will eat it.
Oh, that was a dead end.
Is it Just like our career.
Just like the person who made this game cool.
Nah, he's the next generation of indie developer.
Good game. It's a good game. Okay, I'm not sure.
Let's face it, you think he's a piece of shit.
What?
I think you are supposed to get up that way, but maybe like up there. You just went straight for the river.
Straight up the river or down? I just went up the river.
I'm gonna say down.
Downstream. I can't run with shift.
Lloyd, you don't want to run because then you'll lose all your badger babies.
I don't care. Yeah, I do care. It's just...
Haven't you got an attachment?
When did we fall anyway? God, where did I fall? I'm not sure where to go. There's trees blocking my way. I have to change the camera. Frame rate per second.
4. Damn.
No, that's not. Well, it should be. Oh, can't find. This looks like a bag. A path. No! Having something. No, or it's still the same. Is it the same area?
I think it is. I'm not sure.
Do you know if there's any enemies here?
The dark is your enemy here.
Alone in the dark.
If one of your badges go into the dark, he'll just die straight up. You wrapped around again, but go look, turn that way a bit. No, just keep on going upstream. I think see that little silver sliver there?
Silver what?
Like that. I think you can go through there.
I remember being here before.
You tried.
Yeah, I've seen this log before. There's something going here.
Maybe you actually can. No.
No?
Maybe that's the log you fell out of.
Oh yeah. I fell out of the log.
high tension, high game, action gameplay.
I just went back.
I'm pretty sure a badger is actually like a form of currency.
Form
It's either that or like a weight, like a...
just dead weight.
You know a buttload is an actual weight? I don't know how much it is, because it's in like pounds and inches and all that shit stuff.
Which is
Lost all our US, Canadian, and British audience all at the same time.
we didn't.
Screw it. I don't like real either. Bam, take that. Oh, get me. Take that, Cambodia. Not like your real. Stupid. Your 100 real note is just ridiculous. It's 2.5 cents. Why would I want 0.5 cents?
You're being realistic.
Oh, you really reeled them in all with that joke.
I've been here before.
No, you're going the right way this time. Chase, run, run, run.
Are they running away, or am I supposed to get them?
You're supposed to run with them.
Am I running from something?
No, but they had to like crash and scare them. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
This is another dead end.
No.
No, this is just long. This is just rocks. It's a rock, you idiot!
I spy, with my little eye, something beginning with B.
Bench.
Radish. That doesn't begin with B.
That's not rod. That's not a bay.
I was gonna say badgers, but
Is that the grey one? Yeah.
it was greyish. See, look, it's browner now. I think you're on the wrong way down. That's where you came from.
No. Crystone or something blocking. Oh wait, there's a log. Can I run? I can't run in the dark.
What? You don't want to, because the badger's on the starter. You little baby baby.
I heard a noise. Is there a log? Oh! There's a log!
Oh, it's a frog! Get it!
Where? I didn't see any, I just clicked.
Yeah, you're close enough.
Drop
Drop it, drop it. Just... There, you gave it. See, look, you gave it to that one.
It automatically...
Yeah, I think it automatically gives it to the
one that I...
Oh, run the other way, no! How many are there?
Scattered.
Move forward a bit.
Push
1, 2... Oh, that's 5, you're good.
It's all good.
Not good until one gets murdered. Murder! Have a radish. Oh no, it's close as one.
No.
You need to try and pick that one up.
What kind of instrument is that?
A guitar.
Oh. It's a xylophone.
No. Tuba.
I think I heard it in gameplay.
Oh no, but
I heard a stump.
you just lost one.
I don't know the one
Oh no, that's... Pick it up with your mouth.
who died.
It needs food.
Am I supposed to get food? It's not automatically...
He's like too hungry to move on.
Is this the apple tree? No.
See, like, move a little bit. Yeah, it died. I think it's dead.
Ripped.
Ripped,
you don't know what's his name!
well, it's not Master Chief. Master Chief doesn't die. What was the other one you named it?
In action.
What's the other one you
Commander Shepard.
Commander Shepard died.
Oh,
Yeah, he's definitely dead now. Yeah. He tried to save the Reapers, but he died either way. Spoiler alert. Beep!
I think it's 2012. I mean, it's 2014. Oops. Mass Effect 2 came out 27. People know that already. There's no spoilers there.
Yeah, 2-week period or
It's a
something like
long
that.
time. It's a 2-week period, bro. The tunnel. 2-week period rules where they spoil stuff.
Hey, look, more shit.
We're gonna.
I've been stars. Just give me an upstream.
I'm gonna mark this as explicit. And just swear occasionally.
No, I'm not gonna swear apart from maybe shite or shit. Don't really consider that a swear word.
It's a bad word.
Not you good.
How is gonna yin and sins? Yin and sins gonna
Yin. No, together they're yin and fly.
3 of them.
Yin and fly. Yeah. Yen, sen, fly.
How are they gonna
Sen?
die?
No, it's yin, sen, fly. No, yin and fly. Yin and fly, sorry. But I name like a bunch of random stuff.
Is this a way? Or is it another?
Dead end. But I think you can turn that way.
Turn right.
Oh gosh, I can barely say.
This is a way?
Thank God you
Oh my God.
swallowed a like a flashlight. Luckily it wasn't a flashlight.
Ooh, it's really light. Bright.
You have a bright future ahead of you, Badger.
Badge. What's the main badge called?
Sedan.
Well, we should call him...
Every main character, if it doesn't have a name. Chase, other way!
Where did he go?
Over there.
Come back here! Get over here!
Get over here! I think you need to look out for Radish, they're going a little grey, and you remember what happened last time?
Yeah, the
I think-
Reapers took him.
Look now, the Reapers.
Tell them more are coming! Spoilers.
You either become an advanced AI, dead, or part computer, part machine for everyone.
One of them's gonna
Did you actually, have you ever actually played Mass Effect?
I played Mass Effect 2.
Only.
I had it. The only person I saved was Jacob. I wish I could save...
Really?
I didn't know the storyline.
No, you only saved Jacob?
Could I save anybody else?
And Adam, you could have saved everyone!
How? I didn't know what choice I made. I want Garrus. I wanted Garrus to survive.
And out of everyone, you saved Jacob?
Ugh, Jacob.
How do you save him? Did you send him back to the crew? Did you die?
Yes.
You got the worst ending.
I didn't know what to pick. I picked... It's Square. Not Square, that's PS... That's PS3.
Yeah. Quick question. Do you remember who you sent down the heating pipe?
Miranda? No, wait, Miranda was with me when I was fighting the human Reaper. Talia? Yeah, Talia.
Let me guess, you didn't do their loyalty missions.
Oh no, yeah, but I didn't. I had a second save like 2 hours before I finished the game.
And then you like, you like fixed it all up. Oh, weren't you? Oh, get the frog, get the frog. Okay, wait. Oh, no, they're running, they're running. Hey, Crash.
It's 3
Well,
Sorry!
get the radish, get the radish. And beat it to that one.
I still have the frog in my mouth. No.
Oh, pick up the radish. Well, at least you have less mouths to feed, I guess.
Yeah! I can't pick it up.
Well,
Radish.
goodbye, Sin.
No, it's only Yen Fly.
Yen fly.
Yen Fly.
No, you have to drop the frog.
Where? I just dropped the frog in the frog. I dropped the frog here, but
No, it's in your mouth still. I think you have to give it.
there's nothing in my mouth.
It is in your mouth.
Oh yeah.
Is there any way to drop it? Any way to pick up the radish or carrot?
I don't get this frog in my mouth. It's a glitch.
Fletcher, and that's
It's a glitch, isn't
Ooh,
it?
this is not on my shirt.
It's a glitch, isn't it?
That's not funny to then.
No, I wasn't laughing.
You knows that one was good. But you might be not sure.
I'm not stroll.
Yeah.
With that
Not sure. Not sure.
I
Oh,
can't.
well, just go. It can start.
Okay. This game normally failed the mission.
When you fail, it will fail it, but it's not coming back. If you reload it, you won't get like 5. You still have 3.
I'm not sure if I'm going the right direction. I think I'm going in circles. What's this?
At the cliff.
Pretty dark. Yes. There's a bush.
Yeah, it looks like my soul.
Become morbid fast.
I wasn't talking about that.
Dark Souls.
Dark Souls,
Oh
yeah.
yeah.
Dark Souls 2. Maybe a full walkthrough coming soon. Or like 2 episodes and we quit.
Dark Souls. Yeah, we might be doing one. Dark Souls.
Alright, I'm playing.
We're gonna plan on recording Dark Souls commentary.
Some secrets.
Okay.
Spoilers.
Bleep that one out. Bleep.
Just put this down. Oh, we're playing it on.
We're gonna play.
Like,
I wonder
2 days later, the newest high-tech game for Xbox One.
You lost another one.
Nah, it's that.
Still there.
Get to feed him. It's going great.
Yeah. I can't drop this frog.
Just run past the level. I'm sure it'll, like, reset. We can finish this level, and then I think I'll be done for recording Shelter.
It's still in my mouth. I got so many things in my mouth.
I wonder what it said. Don't run into the dark! And the badger's like, run into the dark? Play with the wolves?
Ooh, at least the badgers talk.
Yeah. They only know those, son. What?
Something. We're done.
We did it!
We did it.
We did!
We're loading into another game. What's next?
They can watch it load.
Okay, he can watch it. You must suffer!
Well, I think that's been some good gameplay for Ben. I think we made some real good progress. Yeah, and I'm glad we played it, because now we've let off some steam. So, edit that part out. Okay. Game's over now. We've lost 2 of our children. Rest in peace, Commander Shepard and Sin. How do you feel about it, man?
I think we let off some
Steam!
Bye.